if you bring back or rebuild the temple again, number one, there must be a high priest again. You have to appoint a high priest. Number two, offers and sacrifices has to come back. You have to offer bulls and goats and lambs now for the remission of sins, for the atonement. And Jesus came to replace that whole system. In other words, what are you busy with? You are blaspheming. You are saying, as a matter of fact, that the blood of Jesus was not good enough for whoever, what nation ever, to wash their sins away. That's blasphemous. And that is not true, because the blood of Jesus, according to Hebrews 7:24 and Psalm 110:4, it exactly states there that Jesus came, replaced the old order, the way of doing things.